Now, once again, TCQC the finals. Barangay sector versus Holy Spirit sectors. Let's get it on, Jabol. Yeah, first ball, boy. Yan, Basibas. Yan, Kanabi. Yan, first basket, Carl Kanabi. Sirgini.
Nasa Holy Spirit na possession. 22 turnaround jumper. Missing. Rebound, Basibas.
Yan, Basibas.
Basibas. Dribbling the basketball. Basibas off the screen. Basibas. Cross court to Kanapi. Kanapi. Quick release.
Wala. Nanakuha, Mariano. Yan, Sirgini.
There's an outfield pass to Convicto. Convicto bounce pass sa Piedmont. Deflected. Ang bola na jersey number 3. Take the shot.
Wala pa rin.
Piasan.
Yan, 2 points. Piasan.
Basibas.
Yan, Basibas.
Basibas. Basibas offhand. Kanapi. Open fire.
Wala. Yan, Mariano.
Dribbling the basketball. Pass to number 7.
Uy, traveling. Yan, Basibas. Yan, 8 minutes and 25 seconds.
Basibas down the middle. Swipe
Check.
behind. Mamaklano. Getting the possession. Fade. Penetrating. Draw pass. Jersey number 23. We have a whistle.
2 shots. Convicto. Rep. Konti lang po. Salamat. Pasensya na.
Jersey number 8. First person on foul.
Second try.
Basket. Ay na Convicto. Basibas.
Kaya score natin all 2.
Basibas looking for his teammate. Dribbling the basketball. Basibas, may double team. Ang bola na ay Convicto. Pass. Ang bola na sa Holy Spirit. Mariano sa ilalim. Convicto.
Basket count. Yan, bonus shot.
Jersey number 22, Convicto. Convicto missing.
Yan, Kanabi.
Kanapi off the screen. Kanapi, pass jersey number 1, Levi, no
Wala.
good. Mariano gets
Yan, Mariano.
Pass to Piasan. A little high, Piasan ring over. Piasan, pass to Convicto. Convicto, pull-up jumper, but
Yan, back-to-back basket.
Seven and 2. 5-1 lead para sa Holy Spirit. Kanapi. Pass to Basibas. Basibas penetrating hops in the air. No good. A bola. Kami jersey number 12.
Yan, wrap. 1.
Open after. No good. One pick up for the rebound.
2 points. Yeah, 6 straight point. Convicto.
Basibas giving some instruction to his teammate. Pinigay kay Gayon. The turnover.
Yeah, score natin 9-2 in favor of Holy Spirit sector.
Sergini pass to Convicto. Tapos Sergini to Mariano. Mariano sa poste. Mamatalo. Pipilin. Meron tayong
Offensive foul.
Kanapi.
Yeah,
Kanapi off the screen. Kanapi dribbling the basketball. Kanapi. An alley-oop. Basibas catch. Basibas release.
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul. Kanina lang. Personal foul.
Yeah, 5 minutes and 45 seconds. First quarter period.
Sergin setting
Yeah,
up the
Sergini.
speed. Pasok Piazza. Bigay kay Convicto pumping. Ang bola na kay Mama Talo.
Wow. Time out, Fairview sector. Na 2 shots.
Sequence we have a foul against jersey number 1, Tiba. 2 shots para kay Mama Talo. First try missing.
And try.
Second try, 1 out of 2 para kay Mama. Abante na sa walong Barangay Holy Spirit sector. Canapi. Siya naman magtiti mo ng offensive para sa Fairview. Canapi. Obviously, binigyan ni Dazo. Pass to Gayon.
Yan, Gayon.
Gayon. Penetrating a little bomb.
Wala.
Takes away, no good. Rebound battle. Piazza trying to save it.
Yeah, same ball.
Mananatili. Gayon.
Yan, Gayoni.
Gayon off back to Canapi. Canapi away from 3-point area. In and out. Seragina. Catch the ball. Seragina drop. Pass
Wala.
away.
Oh, boys!
Good back. Yung Convicto nagbibigay ng puntos para sa Holy Spirit.
Jack attack.
Kalmado ba naman ang Fairview? Basibas. Basibas drive. Pass to Canapi. We have a whistle.
Yan, 2 shots. Canapi. Wala.
First try missing. His
Second
last
try.
game, 56 points na narinig ko. Binigay ni Canapi. Second try missing. Sergina, pass to Piazan. Piazan, binigay kay Villar. Villar, perimeter jumper, no good. Rebound, Sumayaw. Pass to Basibas.
Yan, Basibas.
Basibas. Basibas, pass to Gayon. Gayon,
Gayoni.
jump stepping against Cadil. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Canapi, right corner, twin.
Ah, 3 points.
Basket,
Canapi.
jersey number 9, Canapi. Sa naging pass to Convicto.
Nice pass.
Pass to Villar.
2 points.
2 points. Ilalim naman, papagpakan ng Holy Spirit.
Yan, 13-5 in favor of Holy Spirit sector.
Canapi pass to Basibas. Basibas, shoot way. No good. Rebound. Convicto. Convicto take it easy. Seragin gets it. Seragin pass to Cadil. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Convicto on the middle. Convicto pass to Seragin. Seragin bounce pass. Piazza to Villar. A little high. Basibas is splitting to the two defender. Basibas penetrating. And we
Wow.
have a whistle.
Yan, 2 shots.
First try.
Ito kayo, MVP.
First try missing.
Last throw.
Second try, 1 out and 2 para kay Basibas.
Yan, Alyan.
Aganon, ito naman ang playing point guard ng Barangay Holy Spirit sector. Aganon pass to Cadil. 15 on the shot clock. Villar.
Oy, traveling.
He did catch it success. Canapi pass to Basibas. Gayon.
Yan, Gayoni.
Gayon. Behind it back. Then he hits it. No good. Rebound Ganon. Mapupunta sa
Last
Barangay
touch.
Holy Spirit sector.
Number 8.
Cadil give it to Aganon. Aganon. Pass to Villar. Convicto. Pass to Cadil. Cadil. On break.
Ah! 3 points. Arpa.
Three-pointer coming from Cadil. Basibas to Dazo. Dazo on the left corner. Piazza, 2 minutes on the first quarter. Piazza pass to Aganon. Aganon fade. Aganon kick out. Cadil gets it. Piazza on the middle. Piazza to Aganon. Right corner. No good. Good pick up. Meron tayong minsan nakita. Yung
Yan, foul, Convicto.
second team foul.
Now, 1 minute and 35 seconds, first quarter.
Basibas. Gayon. Gayon.
2 points, Gayoni. And time out, Holy Spirit. Score 17-8 in favor of Holy Spirit. Back to the ball game.
Nandito naman yung mahaba nila, si Tordas. Tignan natin kung anong mangyayari sa first quarter. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. Agano, pass to Cadel. Cadel against Goyone. Binigay kay Piasan. Piasan, down the middle. Teardrop. No good. Power rebound. Galing kay Basibas. Basibas securing the basketball. Basibas. Pass to Goyone. Goyone. Penetrating. Hawk City.
Oy,
What a move coming from Goyone.
Goyoni.
Cadel. Cadel pass to Piasan. Piasan pass to Agano fake. Agano pass to Dordas. Dordas shaking, faking. Take the shot. No good. Basibas. Basibas to Kanapi. Kanapi for three. No good. Cadel for the rebound. Cadel bounces. Agano like it. Two-point basket coming from Agano. Last 20 seconds.
Yeah, 20 seconds.
Kanapi from Farmers School.
3-point. Calnavi, long 3.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. Kagi Bakawin. No good.
1.3 seconds.
Comedy timeout.
Yeah, 1.3 seconds.
Goyone. They're trying to catch it.
And the first quarter. Yeah, score natin 19-13 in favor of Holy Spirit. Back to the ball game. Yeah, second quarter period. Yeah, inbound.
Wala, puro dumine. Halika.
And we have it.
Technical. Yeah, basket. Calnavi.
Piasan Tasco, Aganon. Aganon. Binigay kay Dordas.
Yeah, Dordas.
Dordas pa sa Villar. Villar, ayun na.
May ball.
Take the shot and we have the foul.
Yeah, 2 shots. Villar. Yeah, sablay ulit nila, Jandy. Yeah, second try.
Second, first personal foul, first team foul. Second try, 1 out of 2 para kay Villar. Papasayaw na official natin. Basibas. Basibas.
Check ang bola. Hoy, nawa. Yan, Kadil.
Tasco, Aganon.
Yan, Aganon.
Aganon and Ali play.
2 points. Ayan the sky play. Aganon to Piasan.
Goyone.
Yan, 22-14 in favor of Holy Spirit sector. Yan, long 3.
Shoot for three.
Wala. Yan, Aganon.
Catch it. Aganon pass to Cadel.
Cadel.
Looking for steaming. Waiting for Piasan. Aganon gets it. Aganon. Pass to Piasan. Piasan.
Nice.
Nice screen.
Wala.
Ang possession. Nakakalino. Nasa.
Yan, same ball. Yan, Dordas. Dinodoble. Yan, ako ang bola.
Makakuha ng possession. Goyone.
Yan, Goyoni.
Goyone. Dribbling the ball. Goyone. Down the lane. Almost loses the ball. Kanapi. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Basibas. Off the screen. Binigay ni Sena. Basibas.
Nice pass.
Goyone. No good. Rebound. Cadel. Little spin. Cadel. Pass to Piasan. Piasan. Left behind.
May foul. 2 shots, Piasan. Yeah, basket. Yeah, second try.
Second
Yeah,
try.
2-2.
Basket pa rin.
Yeah, Basibas. Yeah, Kanabi. Yeah, basket.
2 points. Diestro.
Yeah, Diestro.
Dordas on the middle. Dordas pass to Piasan. Piasan.
Nice.
Pass to Dordas.
Dordas.
2 points. Dordas. Basibas. Basibas setting off his teammate. Gusto ko poste. Basibas.
Nice pass. Wala.
Ang possession na
Check.
Canapi. Canapi pass to Guyone. Guyone to Canapi. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Diestro. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Pero ang bola nasa hall. Spinning Piazza. Pass to Mario. A little 26 and 16. The lead is up to 10. Sa kumalabangan ng Hall Spirit Sector, Basibas.
Yeah,
Marking the
Marvin.
basketball. Basibas. Down the lane, Basibas, no good. That's a good ball. Basibas pass to Guyone.
Points, Guyone.
The last 2 points.
Yeah, Mariano.
Agano. Agano pass to Dordas. Dordas. Shit for play. No good. Rebound. Basibas. Basibas to Canapi. Canapi setting off Basibas pass to Diestro. Guyone rather. Guyone. Drive. Floater. No good. Rebound. Guyone block. Let me out. Piazza 2-in-1 situation. Piazza pass to Agano. Agano. Perimeter. Jumper. Basket 2 points. Basibas. Basibas off the screen. Basibas pass to Guyone. Guyone top of the key. Shoot for three.
Point, Guyone.
Successful three-pointer coming from Guyone. Agano at Papawi.
Points, Agano. Yeah, score natin 30-21 in favor of Holy Spirit.
Basibas.
Yeah, 5 minutes and 24 seconds.
Basibas
Second
pass to
quarter.
Guyone. Guyone off the screen. Guyone down the lane. Guyone drop pass to Sena.
Basket count.
Basket is
May
good.
kasama pang
Kasama
foul.
pang foul.
Two shots, Sena. Yeah, complete that
They complete a three-point play. Agano. Agano off the screen. Binigyan ni Dordas. Agano penetrating the
check.
trap. One
Yeah,
pass.
Guyone.
And
Canapi,
now
Basibas.
Basibas. Over the head pass. A sorry.
Panira na.
Basibas. Mariano to Agano. Shoot for three.
Ah! 3-point Aganon.
Canapi babawin.
Ah!
Canapi.
Palitan ng 3.
Umuulan sa labas, umuulan din sa loob. Piazza. Piazza.
Check.
Guyone. Basibas. Lay it off.
Point.
2 points.
Basibas.
Agano. Pass to Piazza. Piazza on the corner. Piazza take the shot.
Malakas.
Guyone for the
Yeah,
rebound.
Guyone.
Guyone. Lay it off.
2
Basket.
points, Guyone. And timeout. Holy Spirit sector. Score natin 33-31. Dalawa kalamangan. Holy Spirit sector. You have 4 minutes and 1 seconds. Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. 4 minutes on the second quarter.
Yeah, Sergini.
Segarin, pass to Convicto. Nakatita na ulit yung Convicto. Convicto. In and out. Rebound, Diestro. Diestro pass to Basibas. Basibas. Pass to Canapi. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Yan, Canapi.
Canapi. Pass. Who's that guy? Shoot for three. No good. Ang bola na kay Diestro.
Yeah, 2 points. Yeah, deadlock at 33.
Piazza. Piazza pass to Convicto. Convicto catch. Convicto kick out. Piazza convert.
Ah, 3 point.
Successful
Piazza.
three-pointer coming from jersey number 24. Piazza. Papawi and
Wala. Yan na, ganon.
Grabe yung hila na yun.
Masyado na malayo.
May foul. Uy! Grabe.
Violation.
Nadulas.
Diretso yung panira eh. Lisensyado tong si Kanapi. Basibas crosses over down the middle. Kick out pass. Kanapi masyado matagal yung taking. Basibas sa ilalim. We have it. Basta a pushing foul. Basibas on the inbound.
Naibang Basibas.
Pass to Kanapi.
Yan, Kanapi.
8 seconds on the shot clock. Kanapi pass to Basibas. Basibas launches it. No good. Coyote.
Yan, laman na po.
Nice stop coming from Kanapi to Coyote. Basket 2 points. Seragin.
Sorry, 36-35.
Muntik na nagawan. Pia Sanchez for the win. Air ball. Coyote. Coyote on the run. Coyote drive. Hey,
2 points, Coyote.
2 points.
Yan, 1 point lead. Fairview sector.
Rebound battle. Ang bola na kay Seragin. Seragin crosses over.
Yan, Mariano.
Mariano should go.
Ha! 3 point.
Basket.
Mariano.
Si Mariano.
Yan, magic bunot.
Basibas. Pass to Goyone. Goyone off the screen. Goyone behind the back.
Check.
Seragin.
Yeah, Seragin.
Successfully pasa. Successfully
Good boy.
panilo para kay Argano.
Timeout, Fairview sector. Yes, 41-37 in favor of Holy Spirit. Yeah, 1 minute and 6 seconds, second quarter.
Back to the ball game. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining.
Yeah, Basibas.
Basibas. 1 minute on the second quarter. Basibas pass to Kanapi. Kanapi launches for way. No
Wala.
good.
Wow, Seregini. Yeah, inbound Kanapi.
Less than a minute remaining. Kanapi on the inbound. Kanapi pass to Sumayaw. Back to Kanapi. Kanapi pass to left.
Nice pass.
To Basibas. Basibas. No good. Rebound from Victor. Pass to Seragin.
Check.
Goyone. Goyone stay. Washing. Machine. Remaining. Basibas pass to Kanapi. Kanapi hinaharang agad ni Mariano. We have a list.
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul.
Number 13.
Offensive foul against jersey number 13 numbers off the screen. Agana pass to Seragin. Binigay kay number 7. Convicto on the middle. In and out.
Wala.
Goyone.
Yeah, Goyoni.
Goyone on the run. Goyone penetrating coast to coast.
Points,
Pass to
Goyoni.
2 points.
Yeah, 41-39, 2 points lead. Holy
10
Spirit sector.
seconds remaining.
Yeah, 10 seconds.
Agano. Pass to Mamat Lalo. Pass to
Boy.
3 seconds.
End of second quarter. Yeah, score natin.
Second quarter, score now.
43-39 in favor of Holy Spirit.